Hey, it's Rue. In this video, we are going to make the Red Moon over Manhattan. This is actually a drink from mixologist Queen Bee. Are you guys ready to make this drink with me? Let's get started. To make this drink, we need to gather these ingredients. You're going to need red wine. I have here Bourbon. Bourbon, I have here Bullet. Simple syrup. And a maraschino cherry. 4 items. It's tool time. Let's go grab them. You'll need a shaker, ice, a rocks glass, a jigger, and a cocktail pick. First step, grab your red wine, open the bottle, pour 2 ounces of red wine into the shaker. Next, take your simple syrup, pour ½ an ounce of simple syrup into the shaker. Now grab your bullet, open the bottle, pour ½ an ounce of bourbon into the shaker. Add ice, close the lid, and give your drink a nice shake. What I have here is a molded ice ball. If you don't have this, you could just add ice. We'll now pour our drink into the glass. And the last step is to add garnish. And there you go, my friends, the Red Moon over Manhattan. Cheers.
If you want to learn how to make more cocktail drinks from home, subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss an episode. Comment below if there's a drink you would like to see next.